Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to set up a Discord server. In order to do that, you can head over and then see in here that we have in here direct messages as well as servers we have right now. So if you want to create your own server, you can head over and scroll down right here and you can click on this plus icon. Click on this add server right here and then click on this create my own. So just choose if it's for a community or for your friends. Now just name your server and you can also put in here an actual image that you want to use for your server. So for example, let's use this right here. Then as you can see, it's been added. Now click on this create right here and then your server will be created. Next thing you need to do is to set it up. So invite your friends, send your first messages, and add your first app. So you can head over and then see in here that we have in here text channels as well as voice channels. So you can add a new text channel by clicking on this create channel right here and then choose if it's gonna be a text channel or a voice channel and then name it from in here. Now it will be a text channel. I'll click on this create right here. You can also have the option to make this a private channel if you want to as well. Now if you want to add an app, you can head over to a new tab and then search in here for Discord bot. Now in here you can see this Discord bot list. So from this Discord bot list, just look for the bot that you want to install to your server. So for example, right here, you can head over and see this bots right here. So just choose which bot. So for example, let's find in here a music bot right here. So search in here for music, and then you should be able to see music bots. So let's head over and use this one. Let's click on this invite right here, and then you will be redirected to the Discord of yourself. And then from in there, you can see this. So make sure to actually just make sure that it's actually validated. Just reload this page right here. Head over and then choose the server that you want to add this into. I'll add this to my server right here and click on continue. And then click on authorize right here in order to add this to your page. Now you just need to answer CAPTCHA from there. Now from in there, just head over and then answer it. And then once you have answered this CAPTCHA, you should be able to add this particular bot to your page. Now as you can see, it's now been added. Now click on this go to the server and then you should be able to see it on your server that has been added in here. As you can see, it's been added and you should be able to use it. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer.